Good afternoon, all Precanians. I'm so glad to be here to introduce a new award scheme called Active Learners Awards. Active Learner Award Scheme consists of two major parts. The first one is we would like to emphasize the importance of learning attitudes and personal growth. A minor merit will be given to students who have obtained free praising records in terms of learning attitudes and participate in free personal growth activities. So there is no limit for the submissions. So I wish all of the Precanians can get as many minor merits as they can. So in fact, the three main criteria of being awarded or praising record include: number one, consistently participate actively in class, in all subjects, in all lessons. Number two, consistently submit quality homework, or with great improvement in learning. So awardees will be given praising records on form Google Classroom by teachers. So all activities listed in the form Google Classroom or promoted by teachers can be counted from 20th of January 2021 in the second school term. For example, activities in the Google Form Classroom are regularly held by our school, including SU, houses, and associations. So students are highly recommended to watch the videos on the MCE channels. This is organized and prepared by moral and civic education teams teachers on every Wednesday in the form Google Classroom. You are highly recommended to join a variety of activities prepared by a school to expand your horizons and also experience. For number two, you are highly recommended to join any activities nominated by teachers, such as external leadership training programs like Shati Ambassador programs, Hong Kong 200s, and also all kinds of community service. So actually, school has organized many online or face-to-face community service through Google Classroom and promoted by moral and civic education team. So please pay attention to the regular announcement made in the form Google Classroom. Next, so what kind of activities will be excluded, will not be counted in this award scheme? Number one, online class teachers period. It is compulsory for every one of you to attend on time, so this is not counted as a self-direct learning activities. Next, small group gathering organized by class teachers, as it is compulsory basis, which is not self-direct learning activities. Last but not least, all CCA meetings, trainings are not be counted in this award scheme, as it is quite unfair and a number of meetings provided by different teams and clubs are different. So students have to participate in a CCA actively will be recognized by the CCA grading system. So how do students submit their records? So first, please pay attention. Please submit the record to the school by answering a questionnaire in the form Google Classroom. So the first submissions of the praising record will be due on 30th of April. So please also upload the praising records. First of all, you have to make a screen captures images or taking photos of praising records cards given by your teachers and the complete personal growth activity record form. So here, I'm going to show you two samples of student screen captures image. So this is one of the examples given by your subject teachers in Google Classroom. Teachers will give you a praising records to recognize your learning attitudes, your quality of work with your great improvement in subjects. So please make a screen captures and remember to attach to the record submitted in the Google Classroom. Next, For students who have the face-to-face lessons, so teachers will give you the hard copy of praising record cards, like this well-designed praising record card. So please keep it well and keep it properly. So please take photos of your praising record card and also attach to the record for submission. So here is an example of the record form. So all of you have to fill in the personal growth activity record form, like stating clearly about the activity, date, time, organizations with teacher in charge. So please also write a brief introductions of the activities you join. And also you have to share what you have learned in these activities, at least 30 words and submit in Google Classroom. So for details of the Active Learner Award, please refer to the message posted in the form Google Classroom on 19th of March and the concerned school notice. So please work hard and strive for your academic excellence with active participations in variety and diverse personal growth activities, life-wide learning activities. Please show your active participation and support to the above scheme. May wish you have a fruitful and also happy learning journey in this school years. Thank you very much.